It's about time that we should recall our Philippine ambassador to China against the Chinese government, and it's about time that we need to fight for what is ours on the West Philippine Sea. Alam naman ng international community na atin ang West Philippine Sea at wala karapatan ang China sa karagatan na, na yan ng Pilipinas. Ang Nine-Dash Line ng China ay isang huwad, isang peking guhit-guhit sa karagatan.